In this video, we're going to look at how we can add a PDF, or also kind of commonly known as a printout, onto your OneNote page. Now, if you don't have a PDF ready to go, you can click on this one here because you will specifically need a PDF. So if you right click on it and then go save as, and then I'm just going to pop it on the desktop and go save. So from there, what we want to do is we just want to click in the green box to practice. And then we come up to this option here, which is to print out. Now, this isn't to actually print the page. It means to put a printout onto the page. So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to click print out, and then it's going to ask me where is the PDF that you would like. And so here it is here, the one that we loaded from the page. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go open. And then what will happen is, this is a PDF image, is that it'll insert it on the page. You can see if I zoom out there that I can see it a bit better. If it's too big, we can always drag it in as well and bring it up. Now, it will provide you with both the file, so actually the file is in here twice, and the actual printout version itself. Now, if you don't need the file, I would recommend that you get it. So if you just want to see it visually, that we come over to this one, we right click, or we click on delete on our keyboard as well, so we don't double up and have two of the same thing.